Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily change your language setting on your Crossword Jam account. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your Crossword Jam application and make sure that you're inside the main gameplay page. Once you're in the page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. Now in the menu tab, select language. Now it'll display the list of available language for you. Go ahead and select between the language that is available by tapping on it and tapping on the OK button. And you have successfully changed your language. That is how you can easily change your language setting on your Crossword Jam application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.